Hey there, welcome to the UkeStuff channel and welcome to this tutorial video for the play-along videos of There Was a Little Turtle. It's a song that I use in my teaching and it works great with the ukulele, so I thought I would make a play-along of it and also a tutorial for it. I have lowered the song a half step from the original to get this working well with ukulele. Now, what we're going to do in this video is first of all look at the chords you need for soprano, concert, or tenor GCEA ukulele. Then we'll take a look at the chords you need for baritone DGBE ukulele, and then we'll talk about a couple ideas for strumming. Now, if you like the chords you see here, you can find the chord chart or tabs at UkeStuff.info, which is my blog, and you'll see a page there for chord chart/tabs, and just look for There Was a Little Turtle, and that will be there in a PDF. And if you want to support the work on this channel, there are three things you can do. First of all, you can like this video. Second, you can subscribe to the channel. And third, you can always say thank you for making this content by buying me a cup of coffee at buymeacupofcoffee.com/ukestuff. All right, so let's begin with the chords you need for soprano, concert, or tenor GCEA ukulele. I'll be using this instrument. This is my Flight Kids, the TUSL-Kids. It's a long neck soprano, so a concert neck on a soprano body with the Aquila Kids strings. Aquila Kids strings. All right, the first chord, and there are only three, is the C chord. Then the G7 chord, and then the F chord. And those are all the chords you need to play There Was a Little Turtle on soprano, concert, tenor GCEA ukulele. Now let's take a look at baritone ukulele. All right, for baritone, I'll be using this instrument. This is my mainland baritone. It has a cedar top and rosewood back and sides. There are only three chords, and only one of them is really challenging. So you've got your C chord, your G7 chord, and then your F chord. Now, how do you play your F chord more easily? Well, first of all, you take your first finger and you put it across strings 1 and 2 right above the middle first fret and pull against the neck, pull against the fretboard. Use that leverage, supporting your ukulele with your strumming arm so your wrist and finger are free to strum. Then add your thumb for some support and you should get a pretty clear sound on those two strings. Then add 2 fingers to it. You shouldn't have to press that hard to get a nice clear F sound. And what happens if it doesn't sound perfect? You just keep playing. Don't stop. Eventually it will get better, and some days it might not work at all. That's okay. Just keep playing. It's kind of like Dory in Finding Nemo. Just keep swimming with ukulele. If the chord doesn't work, make sure your finger's in the right spot and just keep playing. All right, those are the chords you need to play There Was a Little Turtle on baritone DGBE ukulele. Now let's talk about strumming. All right, for strumming, I'm just going to give you 2 ideas. The first one is to pluck the 3rd string and then strum twice and then pluck the 4th string. That gets a nice papa sound. Now, if you change a chord, you only do part of the strum and then you change to your next chord and back. You just have to watch indicators of where that might be. There was a little turtle. He lived in a box. He swam in a puddle. He climbed on the rocks. See how that works? Works out really well. Sometimes I'm playing with all 4 of my fingers as well. Incidentally, I'm not singing because I'm trying to avoid copyright infringement. So I can play along and talk along, but I can't sing along or there's an instantaneous match. So that's one option, is 3 strum, strum, 4 strum, strum. 3 strum, strum, 4 strum, strum. The other thing you can do is something like this. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. That sounds like this. There was a little turtle. He lived in a box. He swam in a puddle. He climbed on the rocks. That would also work. Down, down, up, down, up, down. Either one of those 2 would work really well for this song. So if you've got those chords and you've got those ideas for strumming, that's all you need to do to be successful in this song. And as a reminder, if you hear something else different, go ahead and play that as long as it fits the style of the music and it's at the right time, it's the right tempo, fits along with the music. That's all that matters. So if you hear something else, play something else too. That's okay. All right. Thanks so much for watching the video. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more Uke stuff for you.